Are you managing more than one brand? Staying consistent in branding for different brands may be a tough nut to crack. Hi, this is Praveen from Picmaker. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and use multiple brand kits in Picmaker to maintain brand consistency. Picmaker is a DIY design software that lets you create stunning designs in minutes. Sign in or sign up to Picmaker using your credentials. We are on the dashboard. Click on the brand kit in the sidebar. If you already created a brand kit on Picmaker, it will show up here and be marked as the primary brand kit. If not, create one by clicking on this plus icon. As you can see, you can add your brand name here. Let's start by adding a logo. Browse your logo from your file explorer, choose and upload. It's that easy. Next up on the list is the color palette. Click on the plus icon and add the hex codes of your brand colors. The interesting part is you can always add multiple color palettes and choose a primary palette for your convenience. Now it's time to add your brand fonts for heading, subheading, title, body text, bulletin and captions. Picmaker font library includes most of the top fonts in the design world. If your brand font is not listed here, you can upload it anytime by clicking on this upload button. The next interesting thing is brand templates. You can choose, customize and save a template. It saves time while helping you stay consistent in branding. Any other brand assets like images can be uploaded here. If you want to add another brand kit, go back to the brand kit home and click on the plus icon to repeat the process. You can delete, edit or set a brand kit as primary. Choose a template to edit. On the left side menu, click on the brand kit. These are the brand kits we created a while back. While hovering over a brand kit, you get two options, Brandify and Open. Brandify is the easiest way to add your logo and replace all the text on the templates with your brand fonts. Isn't it easy? Open a brand kit to manually apply the brand elements. What's more fascinating is you can click on this shuffle icon to mix and match your brand colors to the text on the template. You can always go back to another brand kit to apply different brand elements. Once you are done, download your design by clicking on the download button at the top right. Brand kit is a premium feature. Upgrade to the starter plan to get 2 brand kits. Brand templates are only available in the Pro plan. Pro users get a max of 99 brand kits. Adding multiple brand kits to manage your multiple brands altogether is that easy. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss the upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.